Welcome to Situational Awareness Training Simulation. Read and listen to the instructions and follow them carefully. Click OK to continue. In this scenario, you're going to use the mouse and the arrow keys to walk around this drilling rig. Your goal is to identify hazards, unsafe behaviors, and unsafe conditions. To identify these, put the targeting icon over a selectable item and click with your mouse. There are a total of 6. What category is this situation? A. Hazard. B. Unsafe behavior. C. Unsafe condition. The correct answer is A. The trash fire is a hazard. What can we do to mitigate this hazard? A. Knock over the trash can and roll it. B. Wait for the trash fire to burn out. C. Put out the trash fire with a fire extinguisher. The correct answer is C. The trash fire should be put out with an approved fire extinguisher. What category is this situation? The correct answer is A. The sparking electrical panel is a hazard. What can we do to mitigate this hazard? The correct answer is B. The power should be cut off to avoid starting a fire or someone getting electrocuted. Your supervisor will know who to contact to fix the electrical problem. What category is this situation? A. Hazard. The correct answer is C. The tools are in the walkway and sitting near the edge of a high surface. This causes an unsafe condition. Someone could trip or a tool could fall off the edge and hit someone below. What can we do to mitigate this unsafe condition? A. Tools should always be put away when not. The correct answer is C. Tools should always be put away when not in use. When tools are being used, they should not be placed in a walkway or near an edge. Not only could someone trip, but they could also knock a tool off the edge that could hit someone below. What category is this situation? A. The correct answer is B. The worker is performing unsafe behavior. What can the worker do to mitigate this unsafe behavior? A. Use an approved stepladder. B. Use an OSHA-approved safety chain across the entrance of the fixed ladder. C. The correct answer is B. The worker should use an OSHA-approved safety chain across the entrance of the fixed ladder. What category is this situation? The correct answer is C. The extension cord is in a walkway causing an unsafe condition. What can we do to mitigate this unsafe condition? A. Hang the cord off the edge of the railing. B. Run the extension cord parallel to the walkway instead of across. C. Tell people to watch their step when they walk around. The correct answer is B. Cords and cables should always run parallel to a walkway and should not cross it at any point. What category is this situation? The correct answer is A. The gas leak on this accumulator is a hazard. What can we do to mitigate this hazard? A. Evacuate the area and notify your supervisor. B. Find a welder and try to fix it. C. Notify your supervisor and assess the damage. The correct answer is A. Gas leaks are very dangerous and should be handled by specially trained personnel. Your supervisor will know what to do and who to contact. Congratulations! You have identified all of the hazards, unsafe conditions, and unsafe behaviors. The worker you see is going to perform some work on this tank. The tank is not tall enough for the ladder to need a cage. Observe the worker to ensure that he is safe. Click O. Answer this question. Is this worker performing A. At-risk behavior, B. Unsafe behavior, C. None of the above? The correct answer is A. This worker is performing at-risk behavior. He is working with his back towards the opening at the top of the ladder. If the wrench slips while he is pulling, he could easily fall. The worker is actually following regulation and policy by putting the OSHA-approved safety chain across the opening, but we can mitigate the risk of his at-risk behavior by changing the position of the worker. Click and drag the worker to reposition him to perform this task more safely. Good. Let's continue to observe the worker. The worker is having trouble getting the torque he needs. Though his new position is safer, it seems as if he cannot perform the work properly from his new position. He insists that he continue to work from the previous position. Should the worker continue working, or should he stop work? A. Continue working. The correct answer is B. He should stop work. To further mitigate the at-risk behavior, we have decided to use an OSHA-approved safety chain that is much larger and sturdier than before. This should help mitigate the at-risk behavior without affecting the performance of the worker. Thank you for taking the time to help this worker stay safe.